Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. It might not be a surprise that in this video we'll talk about Ethereum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Basically, I do these daily updates on Ethereum in which we'll talk about the technicals. So we'll take a look at the chart and the price and what it's doing. But we'll also talk about fundamentals. Basically, I try to tell you everything you need to know about Ethereum. Now, I do have to say that it's good that we got these moves, and they were also expected. If you took a look at my last Ethereum daily updates, you knew that I always expected the price to go up from here and reach that 1900, 1920 level again, and basically in this range, which we kind of are in between 1840 and 1920, that we would move up to the upper part of that range. So it's great that we got those moves, but yesterday I did think about perhaps not making these Ethereum updates daily anymore. So I was wondering what you thought about that. So far I've been making them daily, I think, for like months and months and months. But I felt yesterday, I mean, with price movement like this, it just gets a little bit boring. And I love making these videos for you, and I think they provide real quality. But it's good for me as well if there's I like doing analysis, but if there's no real novel analysis to be done, usually it can be a bit boring. So I was wondering if you're okay with that, me making these Ethereum updates like once every 2 days. Bitcoin updates will remain daily, and the correlation between Bitcoin and Ethereum is so much that you might even just watch the Bitcoin video and you know what's going to happen with Ethereum. But alright, so let me know what you think about that. Apart from that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, my trades, which I take as a profitable trader, then check out the links down in the description, as you can see from the top as well, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Ethereum. So, like I said, purely taking a look at the market structure, I drew this nice trend line right here. This trend line is not really respected that much, all right? I just thought it was like sometimes, because I think we're consolidating now. If you take a look at the EMAs, for example, they're all flat, which is one of the greatest indicators that we are moving sideways and therefore consolidating. But sometimes what you can see is that when the momentum kind of gets into the price after a consolidation, is that a trend line like this will be respected, and so far this has been respected. So I thought it would be interesting, but so far, even though the trend line is there, I think we're still consolidating. This bullish momentum was expected both technically and fundamentally. Technically, like I said, what I said yesterday as well, I think this is kind of the range which we were in. We hit the lower part, so we were bound to get to that upper part as well. So yes, that also means that I still expect more bullish momentum up to that 1920, 1940 level at the very most. Also because we had a nice little breakout above this level at around 1875. But fundamentally, I also think more bullish momentum is expected. I don't think we can break above 1920 and 1940. I even think 1940 will be difficult to reach. But that bullish momentum initially is to be expected because of the inflation rate tomorrow. The expectations for that are bullish, so usually what you see then is some bullish momentum before the event, and then tomorrow the event will actually take place. Then we could actually break above 1940 and rally all the way up to 2000 if the inflation rate is, for example, lower than expected. But that's not something I can predict, and I'll probably still be back with another Ethereum update tomorrow, in which I'll also go over what it means, or at least what the possible results of the inflation rate could mean for the price of Ethereum. But for now, like I said, short term, I expect bullish momentum. Perhaps a little bit of resistance from 1900 still, but then followed by a move up to 1920, 1940 at the very most. There's a chance that we can break above that, but if that happens, then I was wrong. It's not what I expect. Resistance and stability until tomorrow with the inflation rate. That's what I expect. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.